If Monday.com is giving you an error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple troubleshooting process you can use to get back into your workspace fast. This is a great quick fix guide for when Monday.com is acting up, not loading correctly, or showing unexpected problems. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's start with the easiest fix first. Go ahead and refresh the page. A simple refresh can clear temporary loading issues and often gets Monday.com working again right away. If that does not solve the issue, the next step is to sign out of your Monday.com account completely and then sign back in. This can reset your session and fix problems caused by a temporary login glitch. Now check your internet connection. Sometimes the issue is not Monday.com itself, but a weak or unstable network. Try opening another website to confirm your connection is working. If needed, switch to a different network, such as mobile hotspot, home Wi-Fi, or another internet source, and then check Monday.com again. If the error still continues, the next thing to try is disabling your browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can interfere with Monday.com pages and features. In your browser, click the three-dot menu, go to Extensions, then select Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any ad blockers or suspicious extensions, then reload Monday.com and see if the issue is gone. Another important step is to turn off any VPN or proxy service you may be using. VPNs can sometimes trigger access problems or cause Monday.com to load incorrectly. Disable the VPN or proxy, then refresh the page and test Monday.com again. This is a very common fix if the platform is behaving strangely. If you are still seeing the error, clear your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Then select Cache and Cookies, clear the data, and restart your browser. After that, open Monday.com again and sign back in if needed. This step removes old stored data that may be causing the problem. If none of those fixes work, try using Monday.com in a different browser or on another device. That can help you figure out whether the issue is specific to your current browser setup. You can also check whether Monday.com is experiencing a service outage, because sometimes the problem is on their side and not yours. So to quickly recap, the main steps are: refresh the page, sign out and sign back in, check your internet and switch networks, disable browser extensions, turn off VPN or proxy, and clear cache and cookies. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the Monday.com error. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.